Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is circle shape. We are drawing circle shape. This is octagon shape. Octagon shape. This is octagon shape. Octagon shape. This is rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. This is triangle shape. Triangle shape. This is pentagon shape. Pentagon shape. Pentagon shape. This is right arrow shape. Right arrow shape. This is right arrow shape. Right arrow shape. This is circle shape. Octagon shape. Rectangle shape. Triangle shape. Pentagon shape. Right arrow shape. Dear kids, these are our colors. These are our colors. This is red color, sky blue color, sea green color, yellow color, brown color, pink color, purple color, light green color, green color. Let's draw some 2D shape by using these colors. This is pink color. This is pink color. Dear kids, this is pink color. This is circle shape. This is circle shape. Next one. This is light green color. This is light green color. This is octagon shape. This is octagon shape. Next one. This is yellow color. Yellow color. Dear kids, this is yellow color. This is rectangle shape. Next one. This is sky blue color. Sky blue color. This is triangle shape. Next one. This is red color. This is red color. This is pentagon shape. Last one. This is sea green color. Sea green color. This is right arrow shape. Right arrow shape. Right arrow shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. This is circle shape, octagon shape, rectangle shape, triangle shape, pentagon shape, right arrow shape. Dear kids, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.